Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to record yourself on Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, we need to log in our account on the Microsoft Team website. And after that guys, if you do have a group chat or you wanted to start a meeting, you can do that. But of course, for me, I wanted to start a meeting just for myself. Okay, so click this camera button here and click start meeting. So we just have to wait for a sec, and after that guys, in order for us to record ourselves here, we just have to go to this three button here, three dots options. Click that one, and actually you will see here a record the meeting. But for me on my ends, I don't have one because I guess um I don't have a premium account right now. But you can do that if you have a premium account. So that's it guys, that's how you are going to record yourself on Microsoft Teams. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.